My people, it's your boy Jay Zeminovs. So guys, today we are looking at the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, or the Ministry of Defense. I'm quite happy that my video here, the beauty of the Zimbabwean Army Air Force. So this is a combined thing. I actually got this book. No more information here say the Defense Forces. I actually got this from Zimbabwe Agriculture Show. So let's look at the Zimbabwe Defense Forces today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Get your boy to 1K sub before 2025. I know we can do it, guys. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys. Minister of Defense. We've got His Excellency Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, Minister of Defense, Opam Chinguri Kashiri. Then Honorable Deputy Minister is Brigadier General Retired L. Malihaumi. I don't know if I so that correct. Secretary for Defense, that's Comrade Aroditi Nepera. So what's the mandate? What's the role played by the Zimbabwe Defense Forces? So here it reads, to protect Zimbabwe, its people, its national security and interests, and its territorial integrity, and uphold the constitution. So that's the role mandate of the Defense Forces. So keep in mind, the Defense Forces is comprises of two bodies. So this is the Zimbabwe National Army and the Air Force of Zimbabwe. And then the leadership of the Defense Forces. Later it was the Ministry of Defense. So this is the hierarchy. I don't know if you're seeing this, guys. This is the hierarchy. Amason Mnangagwa, His Excellency. Then Valerio Sibanda. I actually like this name. This is a cool name. And Lieutenant General E. Matatu. Exactly. I think he's the Zimbabwe National Army Commander. Oh, and then Air Marshal J.J. Jede. That's for Air Force. So this is the hierarchy, guys, for Defense Forces. Starting off, we are going to start with the ZNA, Zimbabwe National Army. So this is the leadership. So commander, we've got Lieutenant General E. Matatu. He's the commander of the Zimbabwe National Army. This is the ground force. I mean, it's role defending territorial, So Major General A. Chipwere, Major General A. Tafumane, Major General S. Maseko. These are the Chief of Staff. Chief of Staff. What's the mission? The mission of the ZNA is to defend the sovereignty, territorial integrity, national interests of Zimbabwe, and contribute to international peace and security. Basically, this is defending our territory, which is Zimbabwe. Primary roles to defend Zimbabwe's territorial integrity. Second roles to render military assistance to civil power, civil communities, civil ministries, and civil authorities. Take note of the word civil. Okay, so we move on training. Oh, actually, guys, look, there is the recruitment thing. Oh, this book is actually nice. So for you to be part of the ZNA, so regular officer cadets are recruited from school leavers, I don't know, university and college graduates. Currently, a potential cadet must be in possession of the following educational qualifications: a minimum of 6 points at A level. That's doable, supported by at least 5 O-level passes, including math and English, and a science subject. So that's pretty much it. And then there are these requirements: age 18 to 22 years for A-level holders, and 18 to 26 years to those with diplomas or degrees. So have a minimum height of 155 centimeters for females and 165 for males. I actually did a video about this, so go check it out. You should join the army, blah 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 blah. Air Force of Zimbabwe. This is the leadership: Vice Air Marshal Vice Air Marshal J.J. Jede, Commander of Air Force of Zimbabwe. So Air Vice Marshal B. Chingono, Chief of Staff Operations. So Air Marshal S. M. Masera, this is Chief of Staff Supporting Services. This is the hierarchy for the Air Force of Zimbabwe. So what's the mission? The mission is to develop the Air Force of Zimbabwe, AFZ, into a patriotic, loyal, highly professional, well-trained and hard-hitting Air Force that will effectively and efficiently defend the airspace, territorial integrity and national interests of this Republic of Zimbabwe. And this motto is, I don't know what aga inventor or who came up with this motto is this is wonderful. The AFZ motto, our wings are the fortress of the nation. I remember this was, I actually did the video about this. Go check it out. The beauty series in English one, the army, the old blah blah blah. So our wings are the fortress of the nation. This is nice. So that's pretty much it. Primary roles: to defend Zimbabwe's airspace, obviously, to provide an effective counter-strike force, to provide close air support to Zimbabwe's ground force. Also, they are supporting each other, obviously, the National Army and the Air Force, to provide civil powers and maintenance of law and order. So if you actually want to see these people doing their stuff in the air, visit any national event, for example, the National Defense Forces, which I actually attended at Rufaro Stadium. I actually attended that at Rufaro Stadium, and there were parachutes dropping and stuff like that. I like army stuff, so obviously I would visit that thing. I thought we were finished with the bodies. This is not actually a body, but I can include it. We've got the Zimbabwe's National Defense University. Did you know this was there? So the hierarchy stands like this: Air Vice Marshal Dr. M.T. Moyo, Pro Vice, do you say Chancellor or Councillor? I don't know. Commanded. And then this is the rest of the leadership at the Defense University. So you can actually learn things at the Defense University. I actually visited the ZAS, and then I ended up staying here at the Zimbabwe National Defense University. And then there is this soldier, general, I don't know, maybe general, I don't know. He developed a weapon, a software weapon that can allow you to dictate a certain place to put maybe your weapon, and then I don't know. You should have visited for yourself. It was wonderful. I didn't know Zimbabwe actually was capable, had some soldiers or people capable of doing such things. So the mandate to be leading national defense security institution grounded in Zimbabwean national interests and values, that provides quality programs fostering continuous research innovation to respond comprehensively to challenges within the realm of the global defense and security matrix. So they actually provide education and stuff. Vision: to be the nation's defense and security hub for fostering integrity, conscious national building. This is actually cool. Right from the Zimbabwe Defense University, we also have got the Zimbabwe Staff College. So the vision is to be a leading center of military and academic excellence for military and leadership that is responsive to regional and global security challenges. So this is basically like a school, I don't know, a college. So this is the hierarchy. I've got Brigadier General Dr. J. Muridziwa, that's the commandant. And this is the rest of the leadership. So guys, this is actually cool. Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Anyone who is in the Defense Forces, can you just subscribe? Anyone who is interested in this content, just comment, share, and subscribe. So that's pretty much it. I think this is kind of a wrap of the beauty series, and you can go compliment the Zimbabwean army government bodies, especially the army and the ground force, anything around that. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. So let me know if you visited the stand to agricultural show and you actually maybe wakatokira some of the weapons. And I didn't know that Zimbabwe had some weapons. They had the what do you call it? MLRS, multi-launch rocket system. Did you know that? Of course you didn't. So they gave me this. This is actually a cool book. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you want more of this content. Peace.